In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit USDT on Pocket Option, step-by-step tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly how to fund your account using Tether on the TRC20 network, safely and without confusion. Start by opening your browser and searching for Pocket Option. Head to the official website and log into your account. Make sure you're on a secure connection, and if you use two-factor authentication, have that ready to go. Once you're on the home page, look for the Finance section and open it. Inside Finance, choose Deposit. You'll see a list of available payment methods. Select Tether, also known as USDT, and be sure to choose the TRC20 option. This is important because the instructions that follow are specific to the Tron network. On the deposit screen, you'll notice the minimum deposit is set to $17.50. Enter the amount you want to deposit, keeping in mind it must meet or exceed that minimum. If you have a promo code, click the option to enter it and apply it before moving on. Always check the terms of any promo code so you know what to expect. When your amount looks correct, click Continue and Pay. This will generate the payment details you need to complete the transfer. Read the instructions on this page carefully. To have your Tether payment processed automatically, you must use the Tron network only. Sending from a different network, sending the wrong amount, or missing key details can result in the loss of funds, and those transfers typically can't be reversed. To complete the payment, copy the exact amount shown and the wallet address provided. Use the copy buttons if available to avoid typos. In your crypto wallet or exchange, choose USDT on the TRC20 network, paste the address, and enter the precise amount displayed. Make sure any fees on your sending wallet are accounted for so the net amount matches what Pocket Option expects. If it's easier, you can also scan the QR code generated on the deposit page. Just confirm the address and amount match before you authorize the transaction. After you send the funds, give the network a little time to confirm the transfer. TRC20 confirmations are usually quick, and your Pocket Option balance should update automatically once it's processed. That's it. You searched for the platform, logged in, went to Finance, chose Deposit, picked USDT TRC20, entered your amount, applied a promo code if you had one, clicked Continue and Pay, and then sent the exact amount to the generated address or by scanning the QR code on the Tron network. Follow these steps carefully and your deposit should go through smoothly.